welcome to my channel Simply Homemade. Today we have a very unique Mangalore recipe, that is prawns ghee roast. Let's learn how to make it. The ingredients we need are, here I have coriander seeds, that is dhania. I have around 3 spoons. Here I have pulp of tamarind. I have taken approximately this much. And here I have 2 spoons of peppercorn. Here I have 15 Byadgi mensinkai. Here I have 1 pod of garlic. Here I have 1 spoon of fennel seeds or som. Here I have very little mustard and very little fenugreek seeds, that is methi. And here I have jeera, that's also 1 spoon. Here I have ghee, very important. I have taken around 4.5 spoons of ghee. Here there's turmeric and 1 lemon. These two we need to marinate our prawns. Let's learn how to make it. Now let's marinate our prawns. To marinate our prawns, we need 1 lemon, turmeric. I'm using half a spoon of turmeric. We'll marinate this for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Now here my pan is heated. We'll dry roast all our ingredients other than tamarind. You can use medium flame. Try to use medium to low only. We have to roast it until we have a nice aroma. You have to roast this up to 7 minutes on low flame and 5 minutes on medium flame. Now I'm getting a nice aroma. We'll switch off the gas and we'll grind this. Add our tamarind and grind it all together. We'll add approximately half cup of water and grind it. Now we've heated our pan again and we'll use ghee. Use ghee only on low flame. Now we'll fry our prawns. Here I've taken 1 kg of prawns. Now we'll fry our prawns. We'll fry it for approximately 2 minutes. That should be more than enough. You'll know when the prawns are done because it will turn white. You don't have to turn it white now. If you fry half is fine because we are going to again fry it in the masala. We'll transfer it to a bowl. Now I've added the prawns to another bowl. Let's fry our masala. This is how I've grinded it. It's fully paste. You can do a coarse paste also. And in case you want it to be more spicy, you can add 2 or 3 Guntur chilli or Kashmiri chilli. It will become more spicy. Usually Byadgi mensinkai is not that spicy. I'm adding some jaggery. It's completely optional. I've taken this much piece. This is optional. It just brings out flavor of tamarind and everything very nicely. It binds together. If you have it, add it. Otherwise, it's okay. I'm adding some curry leaves also. This is also optional. At this point, you can taste the curry and see how it is. If you want more salt or if the spice is more, you can add some more jaggery. You can do your repairs. I'm going to cook this for approximately 7 to 9 minutes. It has to change its consistency. Until then, I'm going to cook it. My husband is obsessed with curry leaves, so I'm adding more curry leaves. but it's not helping his hair grow. The oil is separating beautifully, you can see. If you want gravy consistency, you can stop at this. If you want like a starter consistency, you can still cook it. Now I'll add my prawns. These are semi-cooked prawns. We will cook it for a minute or two, because if you overcook the prawns, it will become like rubber. You can pair this with neer dosa or regular dosa, or even, you know, like simple pulao, ghee rice. I keep it in gravy consistency. That is because in our house we usually pair it with dosa and ghee rice. If you want it like a starter, you let it boil more. It's done. We'll remove it. Now our prawns ghee roast is ready. Now let's try our prawns ghee roast with neer dosa. Oh my god, it's so good. You guys should definitely try this recipe. Subscribe for more recipes.